Hi guys, Bobby D here. Now this is a super quick video because I am rushing around trying to get things ready for this. Tomorrow, 31st of December at 11 AM EST, Matt Bacak, who is the king of email, and I mean the most respected email marketer probably in the world, and I mean that, he is bringing out a program tomorrow, some training, where he gives you 5,001 emails that he has personally written and has made millions, yes, millions from. Matt is the king of email, guys. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. He has never done this before. And tomorrow he is releasing these emails that you can copy and paste into your own campaigns. You can leave them as they are, or you can copy, paste and tweak and then paste them off to your customers, and they are proven emails to make money. Now, I'm super excited about this. I know everyone loves anything to do with email marketing. Matt, for those of you that don't know him, he doesn't give away JV copies. We normally get them for free. He doesn't do it. I'm actually buying my own one tomorrow morning. And the best bit is, it is on a dime sale, okay? It starts tomorrow at $7.95 and it goes up by $1 for every one that is sold, okay? Have a look at my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. I haven't even finished the review yet. I'm giving it 10 out of 10. It's absolutely brilliant. Matt has been in the business for over 20 years, and these are emails that he has made a ton of money from. There are some OTOs, but I'll do another review later on just so you can see those. But for now, this is what you need to be getting, guys. This is what you need to be grabbing, all right? It's called 5,001 Profit Producing Emails. It is $7.95. It comes out tomorrow on the 31st of December, 11 AM EST. Honestly, this is one of the best things that I have seen. I'm so excited. Matt is bringing it out on the last day of the year. It's also his birthday. He only produces products maybe once a year, and this is it. It's a one-off opportunity. I'm sounding exciting. I am excited. Guys, if you're going to grab anything, grab it this year. The links go live tomorrow, okay? Come back to my website. I'm going to give you a ton of bonuses with this. Matt's going to give me a ton of bonuses to give to you guys. It's a no-brainer. $8. It's ridiculous. Matt charges $20,000 for a day's coaching, or $2,000 an hour to speak to him on Skype, okay, about email marketing. But he's doing this for $7.95 on a dime sale. Goes up every time. Tomorrow, there's nothing else I can say. Get it. I'm buying my own copy because I love this so much. And if you want to start 2020 off the right way, get your list going, do it. Buy it, buy it, buy it. That's all I've got to say. Cheers, guys. I'm Bobby D. Have a great new year. Watch out for my emails about this. They're coming out soon. And if I don't speak to you, I'll see you on the 1st of December. And let's start the new year with a bang. Cheers, guys.